Hey guys, can you even hear me? Like, it's raining way too hard out here. Um, I just figured I'd post a quick video because I know that there's some people going through this kind of rain other places too. So yeah, this is insane. Holy crap. Jeez. How is our fire still smoking? How is that how some things work? It's not how... What? Surprise! It's raining! Even bigger surprise. It's gonna flood! Oh god. Trailer! That zooms in way too much. Ah! Getting rain on my phone. It's not good. Holy crap. Just listen to it. That is the rain. Rain noises. Got the fan. Woohoo. It's inside out. Yeah, I don't think that's how that's supposed to look. Well, jeez, it's like making a new little pond right here. Still a surprise to me how that's still smoking. Holy crap, look at the little patterns. It's so awesome. Listen to it. That's my screech. Oh my god. Sorry. Holding it. Oh god, what fell? The heck just fell? What the? Hey, any of you guys see what fell? It was just on there, but then like gone. Wait. Oh, it was that thing. Egg basket! Woohoo! I don't even know what that is. Like some weird off-brand Nerf gun or something weird like that. My god. Yeah! Too much smoke. Too much everything. This rainbow tissue tight. I'm having to wear my mom's. Okay. I'm stepping in it. Satisfying this. More satisfying. Yeah, it's like the consistency of chocolate milk. It's like so dirt-filled. But you know what time it is. Step it onto the thing. I did it. That Squash Man isn't here. That would be cool. Don't know who Squash Man is? He's my partner in crime. Squash Man. That's not Squash Man. Oh my god, Brittany. What? What do you want, Brittany? Hey, I'm gonna interview you. How do you like this rain? Yeah, I know, right? I love how my phone, like my new phone, can like. I shouldn't even be able to call it new anymore. I've had it for like a year, but still. Oh, what is that shiny? Oh, that's the gleam. Looks like it has eyes. Binoculars. What's that? I can see it. Okay. Walking around. Holy crap. Having to run off through my... Too much rain. Okay, dudes. That'll probably be it for now. Oh, wait, no, not yet. What? Oh, wait, sorry. What? Meow. Those are angry clouds. Those are the angriest clouds I've ever seen. They're angry clouds. Angry. Okay. Oh, yeah. Update. No one knows this even existed, but update. This used to look like a pirate ship. We tore it down. That's the remains of the wood that we used to build it. And over there. Wait. And over there. Can't see that. That's a burn pile. And there's tires. Woohoo! It is tiger. No, zebra. Sorry. Lawnmower. I'm gonna go mow the lawn. Okay, sorry. Stalling for time. Okay. Wait, why would I be stalling for time if I didn't even get monetized? You know what? Who cares? At this point, just a vlog, just a dude, just a dead guy. Sorry, I wanted to wait until I could do another vlog. Not wait till I could do another vlog. Wait to do another vlog until I really had, like, substance for it. And, I don't know. Tornadoes might be a good substance. If one happens, I want all you guys to know. YouTube owes me money. Okay. See you over and out.